An aircraft maintenance program, often referred to as an aircraft maintenance schedule or program, is a structured plan that outlines the maintenance activities and intervals for an aircraft. It is designed to ensure the continued airworthiness and safe operation of the aircraft throughout its operational life. The primary goal of an aircraft maintenance program is to maintain the aircraft in compliance with the applicable regulations and manufacturer's recommendations. These programs are typically developed by the aircraft manufacturer in conjunction with regulatory authorities such as the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in the United States or the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, EASA, in Europe. The maintenance program includes a combination of scheduled inspections, routine maintenance tasks, component replacements, and system checks. The specific tasks and intervals are determined based on factors such as the aircraft's type, model, age, usage, and environmental conditions. The maintenance program is typically divided into two main categories: line maintenance and base maintenance. Line maintenance refers to the regular checks and minor maintenance tasks performed between flights or on a daily, weekly basis. These activities include pre-flight inspections, fluid replenishments, and basic troubleshooting. Base maintenance, on the other hand, involves more extensive inspections and maintenance activities that are performed at specific intervals or when certain thresholds are reached. This can include major inspections such as A checks, B checks, C checks, and D checks, which vary in terms of depth and scope. These checks involve comprehensive examinations of the aircraft structure, systems, and components. Aircraft maintenance programs also incorporate the concept of reliability-centered maintenance, RCM, which aims to optimize maintenance tasks based on their impact on safety, reliability, and costs. RCM involves analyzing the failure modes and consequences of different components and systems to determine the most effective maintenance strategies. Additionally, aircraft maintenance programs take into account any airworthiness directives, ADs, issued by the regulatory authorities or the manufacturer. ADs mandate specific inspections or modifications to address safety concerns or known issues with certain aircraft models or components. Overall, an aircraft maintenance program is a crucial aspect of ensuring the continued airworthiness and safe operation of an aircraft. It helps to identify and address potential issues proactively, minimize unscheduled maintenance events, and extend the operational life of the aircraft while complying with regulatory requirements.